Hey everybody, welcome back to Going Off Grid. We're back at the land today. We got here last night. Last time we were here, we broke a tie rod on the joystick of the backhoe to control the curl and the dump on the front loader bucket. So we got that part, and that's not the only problem. So we come around, we got a flat tire. And of course, it might be off the bead. So we'll be firing up the compressor. Hopefully I can find an air chuck. If not, I'll have to run to town and get one. So we're gonna be working on this tie rod. See if we can't get this fixed. Here's the new tie rod. New Holland, $130. That's crazy. And of course, the one we're trying to fix is way down here. This one here broke. So it broke off right here where it goes through the control arm. This is going to be fun. Okay. We'll see if we can get her fixed. So on the bottom of the broken one, there was a clip like this to hold the pin in. And of course, this piece broke off, so now I can't pull the pin out. So I made a press tool. So we're going to try to use this as a tool to press that pin out. Hope it works. Oh, that's not a good first attempt. Okay, I don't know if you can see down there, but that little press I made, pressed that pin out the other side. It might be just enough from where I can grab it now, pull it the rest of the way out. Then I should be able to take my press back off, pull that old rod out. Then the next problem, cutting that broken bolt off so I can press that out. Well, we'll see how it goes. Okay, there it is, the old rod. Got that out. Now the problem is this broken piece it's still inside the arm down there. So we'll have to probably try to grind that off and then press it out. But one part down. Okay, so what we did here, we used this little bearing press I had after we cut the flange off on that bolt. I used this bearing press, it pressed that right out, the old bolt. So now we're ready to take this back apart and then put the new rod in. So what I noticed with the new rod was it was a little longer than the old one. So I took the old rod out, put the new ends on it, and I just threw the old ends on this new rod that was too long just to hold on to parts for now. So we see if we need anything later. So now this one's ready to go in, and then after that onto the tire. Okay, that's on and locked in. Okay, so the backhoe's back in business. We just gotta pump up that tire and then we'll be ready to roll. Hope you enjoyed this little fix-it video. If you're not already subscribed, subscribe and hit that like button, and we'll see you on the next video.